Guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be teaching you guys on how to create a very simple app. I'll be making money from it. Okay, so we'll be making use of these two apps, Sketchware and APK editor. So please, before I start, this is a new YouTube channel and I'll be based mainly on Sketchware project, how to create apps on Sketchware. So please, I beg you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful for that. So okay, let's start up with something. Now our Sketchware app is open. So click on the plus sign. We'll type in our app name. So let me say let's say trial as app name. All right. Okay. Having some network issues. Okay. All right. This is the interface. Now we are expected to build our app on this interface. So first, we have to link our AdMob account to this. So click on this submenu, come out. So click on library, then go straight to AdMob. Okay. So now we have to link our AdMob. So we created two accounts. I'll be teaching you guys how to do this AdMob. If you don't know how to do it, you can message me. My number will be on the description. I will teach that separately if you want this. So let's just go ahead. We have here should be banner. Okay, I have my AdMob ID somewhere. Okay, I have it here. So I just come and copy. I copy it. So make sure you watch the video to the end for you to be able to understand every steps. Okay, that's on my banner. Copy it. Then I go back to my app. Alright, I see banner here. I paste in the app. I copy it. Alright, then go to add. Then go to, we are adding interstitial. You go back here, you copy, all right. I'll say is enter. All right, So this is our banner and the interstitial. Then we'll click on next. Now we're fixing this for banner add. We click on banner, and this one interstitial. We click on interstitial. Now we move to next. Now you have to add your test device. Once you click on that test device, your test device ID will be there already. If you don't add this test device, Google will block your AdMob account. So we add, then we click on next, then save, then click on save. Then we'll go on app compartments and app compart and design. We'll click and turn it on. Okay, then we'll go back. Then we can now proceed with our app. Now just making a simple app now just to show you how this works, just to show you how advert works, how everything works. I'll be showing it here. Okay, now we go for linear. You can see we hold down and drag. Then we'll go for vertical, linear vertical. We hold down and drag into the interface. Then on this vertical we'll be using width. Then we'll click on match parents, then select. Alright, we are good. Then look down, we see add view here. So click on our first add view, add it here. Click on the second add view, we add it here. Click on the third add view, let's just add 3. Okay, now let me increase one of the ad size. We go on ad size, we go on large banner. See, size increases. Okay, let's just leave it this way for now. Okay, from here we go on event. Click on events. See on create there. See component. Okay, let's just go component. Click on the plus sign. You are seeing interstitial add. You click on interstitial add. Then we store as IE. Please just take your time. You can be pausing the video and follow the step just to get the principles first. After that, we can move on my next video. I'll teach you how to create some nice apps. Like I'll be teaching you how to create a Torchlight app and some other apps so that we can add our advert there and get a meaningful app that we can share with our friends and others. Okay, so we click on interstitial. You see unloaded. Okay, we have to input some code into this place now. Though I have the code already. I have those codes, so let's take the code unloaded add. Now I will show you how I got this. Understand? Okay, this is interstitial add show. We go on view. Okay, we go on components. We go on interstitial. You can see interstitial create, interstitial load, interstitial show. Now we go on interstitial show. We drag till it shows that black line over there. You can see it. Now click on it. We click on IA, which we created. Now I have to delete this. Alright, then I go back. I'll go on add loaded field, which I also have a code, so I just bring it out. This is not too much. I'm going to show you how we got this. Okay, so first we go on compartments. You can see toast here. Our first line is toast. Then we take toast, drag it. Alright. Okay, we go on operator. We look for join and to string. Let's just look for join and to string. Alright. Okay, join and we have join and first. We get join and first. Look this join and drag out. Now we look for to string without decimal. String without decimal. Alright, that's it. To string without decimal. We put that to string without decimal at this point. Okay. Now we go to okay, take it down to the second point, not the first point, the second point. All right, now we have some space here, and we have a space here. Then when they add field to load, it's supposed to show us a message. Let's write add load error. Okay, now we drag this error code at the top, this purple one, we hold and drag and fix it here. Then we drag this thing and add it to this toast. We drag the whole code and add to the toast. Alright, then we'll get this long code. So there's nothing too complex here. So we delete this, let's delete this, then we'll work with this. Alright, go back. Okay, we'll go on event now. This is our component. We'll go on event, click on create. Now we'll be using okay, I have this code. Let's just do it this way and bring out the code. Alright, let's create this. We have interstitial create, interstitial load. Alright, this interstitial create and interstitial load. Remember, on our interface at the first page of the app, we added three add views. Understand? Now we'll go to view, we look for add view load. Look for add view. Where is it? Alright, is it taking the first one, the second, and the third? Okay, that's it. Now I have to delete this. We drag this straight here. Okay, now we have interstitial create. Click on interstitial create, click on the IE, click on the IE. Now we have three add views here. Now click on add view. We have add view 1, add view 2, and add view 3. The three add views. So click on the first add view for add view 1, the second add view 2, and the third add view 3. Okay, I think we are done with this. Then you go back. You have your app. Okay, now we are ready to run the app. As simple as that. Simple. Then we click on run. Just take your time to learn this. We use the Sketchware app in this process. Follow the process, it's easy. This is just an introduction to what is coming, what we want to create ahead. Now this app was recently removed from Play Store by the operators that they are having some issues which they are coming back by 2022. So if you also need the app, you can also message me on WhatsApp or forward you the app. Just as simple. Okay, then you wait for it to run. After running, I will show you how to use the AP key. Now, some time ago, that was about 2 or 3 years ago, AdMob self-clicking was working. Okay, let's install. Was working, but now if you do self-clicking to make your own money, to make money on self-clicking, it's very dangerous because Google might ban your account. Okay, now I will explain that further in my next video, but let's just do this first. Now the app is installing. Okay, okay. The app just loaded. This is the first time. Now ad has loaded. This is a Google test ad. It's showing test ad because I added my phone ID. Understand, the device ID. Remember that I added my device ID. This is the interstitial ad. Then when you let's cancel this first, then you can see these are other ads showing in the app. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go make use of the APK editor. Now, this is the APK editor. Now select an APK file. Alright, before coming down to this point, I have some APK already. I already signed. You need to sign in the APK first. Okay, now let's do things straight. Okay, done. Now we're going back. Save. Okay, and now the project you see here, you see an arrow by the right. You click on that arrow. You should go to sign and export. Alright, you click on watch a video to unlock. So you go on sign APK. You wait for it to sign. Sign in the APK. We have time. You can wait. Alright, like I was saying on the ad mob, you don't self-click. Though many YouTubers tell you can self-click with VPN, with this. Google is very smart. It can all they will always detect. They will always detect it, and you will get banned. Once you are banned, it cannot be reviewed. You have to start all afresh. Understand? Once your account is being banned, you are starting afresh. Now, that's why in my next video, we'll be advancing on creating more real apps, like a more useful apps that you can actually put on Play Store, and with your ads in there, you make cool cash without you being banned. But if you go into self-clicking, you will definitely be banned from using AdMob. Now wait for our app to sign. Okay, the app has been signed. Generating APK file complete. Then we go back to our APK editor. Okay. Select an APK file. Now we have trial here. We have these are so we released an app on APK trial, right? So we choose APK and click full edit, decode of files, and we wait. Now we saw build at the top. We click on build. Clicking on that build now. After clicking on build, we wait for it. Now step 1 of voice compose. Now we go back to our app. This is the trial app. We delete immediately. Delete immediately. Then we go back to our APK editor. Now we succeed, then we start again. Alright, we are waiting for it to install. So please guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is a new YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I'll be very grateful. Okay. Okay, so the app is installing. After installation, we'll try to see. Now the re-ads are going to show. There will be no test ad. On a normal note, after this installation, after rebuilding it from APK editor, we will see our re-ads. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. Okay, now you can see re-ads are showing up. No more test ad or our re-ads. If you self-click, you might start earning. Yes. If I click open now, I might start earning. Yes, I might start earning, but it's very risky. Your Google ad, that is the AdMob account, is at risk to be banned. It will be banned. So that's why I am saying you guys should subscribe, so that we're teaching you on how to create more advanced apps, more useful apps with Sketchware, so that we can get an app on the Play Store, on Google Play Store, so that they can download. You can see all these are re-ads. All these are re-ads showing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you next week. I'll post a new video next week, so please subscribe and just thank you very much. Please subscribe, and if you have any question, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number on this description. Thank you.